Good, good, good. I'm so good, good, good. She's so good, good.
So we got a Porsche GT3RS. Sorry, GT2RS. Oh my god. All Porsche fans, my apologies for misspeaking. It's mind-blowing, these cars. We see here GT2RS applied with ceramic 1 year ago. Considering beating and sheeting, we can still see that the ceramic is very active. So maybe here some parts where it's a lower beating, less beating. And here on the shiny parts, we say, oh, here after is the fantastic beating and sheeting. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the maintenance wash by Labocosmetica. We are going to start with Neve. And Neve because it's pH neutral and this car has protection, so there's no reason for us now to attack this chemically with an alkaline solution. The only thing I want to do is to clean the car initially and get surface contamination off, surface dirt, I'm sorry. Contamination is mostly the iron removal, but I believe that any kind of dirt is contamination. It should not be on the surface. So let's call it not to be on the surface contamination. After that, we're going to do a blanket of Purifica, and then we're going to wash the car with Semper, and then have a fantastic maintenance wash. So we're going to do Neve on neutral, Purifica acid, and Semper neutral to get rid of the last. Neve maintenance wash, Labocosmetica style.
Sun is coming up to show. Love I never believed in. Now I feel it, it's such a good feeling.
Woo! It's just only damaged the front lip. We put a new windshield on for him. Yeah. The spray effect is wrong between the year. And he's damaged the front lip. Yeah, my front lip's
Nice and thick foam, dry. It's time to sink through the surface, sequestering any dirty that's on the surface. pH neutral, used safe in sunlight. Dilution I did was around 1 to 3, 1 to 3 in the foam. So we're at depending on the hose, maybe a 1 to 40 dilution. I'm guessing now because I don't know the end dilution. So pressure, deep pressure.
Sun is coming up to show. Love I never believed in. Now I feel it, it's such a good feeling. I am feeling so good, and so is my girl, and so are my friends, and so is my world. I am feeling good, good. She's so good, good. Girl, you got me back, feeling good. I love the way you make me feel. Girl, I got you back, feeling good. You love the way I make you feel, yeah.
Same dilution as in the Aventador 1 to 4.
Purifica. Sun is coming up to show. Love I never believed in. Now I feel it, it's such a good feeling. I am feeling so good, and so is my girl, and so are my friends, and so is my world. I am feeling good, good, good. She's so good, good. Girl, you got me back feeling good. I love the way you make me feel. Girl, I got you back.
So depending on how the car looks or how contaminated it is, you can either do two steps. For example, we let Purifica rest for around 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse off, and then wash the car, or in this case, to save some time, we'll do a chemical and a mechanical action. So I put some Semper in the bucket, a dilution of 1 to 1500, so I did 1 cap, so it's a little less, 1 to 1100, but this is the only thing you need. A little bit of lubricating action, because the beading and sheeting already told us that the car is very, very clean. So a double action, Purifica on the surface, and then wash the car with Semper to save some time and get a chemical and mechanical action.
Sun is coming up to show. Love I never believed in. Now I feel it, it's such a good feeling. I am feeling so good, and so is my girl, and so are my friends, and so is my world. I am feeling good. She's so good. Girl, you got me back feeling good. I love the way you make me feel. Girl, I got you back feeling good.
Semper on its own, cleaning power, because it's pH neutral, in detergent wise, is of course very low. But that's because we handle the 3 pH system, designed and invented by Labocosmetica. So for preparation, for example, for preparation of a polish sequence, a 3 pH system where we start with Primus, alkaline, Purifica, acid, and then do the pH neutral wash with Semper, gives us complete cleanliness of the car before we start with iron removal of the P-ring, if necessary. Yeah, this is, I've watched it, I don't drop a myth, because the myth is so silky smooth.
Sun is coming up to show. Love I never believed in. Now I feel it, it's such a good feeling. I am feeling so good, and so is my girl, and so are my friends, and so is my world. I am feeling good. She's so good. Girl, you got me back feeling good. I love the way you make me feel. Girl, I got you back feeling good. You love the way I make you feel, yeah.
My style is, I like to do pre-wash first. And what I do then, is when I pre-wash the wheels as well. So instead of rinsing, I'm putting pre-wash, in this case Neva, on the rims as well. Because the rims are protected right away. Yep. The rims are protected as well. So I'm no longer treating the car, I'm treating the ceramic surface of the car. So in this mindset, I'm pre-washing everything first, so I'm not touching the car. Pre-cleaning without touching the car. Same with Purifica, to get the mineral deposits off the car as much as we can in a double action mechanical chemical with Semper and Purifica, and then put Purifica on the wheels as well. So double pre-wash before we apply the iron removal and P-ring. That's what I've just done. Thank you very much, Wayne. So in this case, I get pre-clean and the P-ring gets more surface to decontaminate with the iron removal, because there's no lime scaling left, there's no traffic traffic grease, smog, oil, resin, and that sort of stuff to be removed with an alkaline solution. And because it's a ceramic surface, it's already protected, so there's no need for harsh chemicals, only chemicals pro car. Sweet.
Good, good, good. I'm so good, good, good. She's so good, good, good. We're so good, good, good. I'm feeling good, good, good. I'm so good, good, good. She's so good, good, good. We're so good, good.